We'll guide you through how to change the Windows 11 date and time settings. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do. So perhaps you want to go and have it so it's set automatically, your computer can do that. Or alternatively, you may want to go and set it manually. We're going to guide you through this. It's important to note that you should have it set correctly because otherwise you can run into problems I found when trying to use websites. Sometimes they won't work or try and do different things. And also some games may not like it as well. As well as that, you may want to go and do this manually because you're in a different time zone as well. So you'll be able to go and figure it out with the help of this video. So what we need to do is come down to the bottom. We'll cover two ways. For the first way, you press the Windows Start button. Then you want to go up and you need to go and find the option for settings. If you struggle to find it, you can tap search and go and type in settings like so. Here we are. I'll zoom in on this to make it nice and clear. Now you want to go over to the left and go down and find time and language. As you can see, here it is. And you're going to go and see it here. What you want to do is go and press date and time, and here we are. What you can do is go and switch on, set the time zone automatically if you want to just here, or you can scroll down and you can go and set it yourself. You can pick your time zone here, scroll up or down. There are loads to go and choose from there. Next, you can go and switch on, adjust for daylight saving time automatically, as of course the hours go and change at different times of the year. What I like to do though is go and have set the time automatically switched on. If you go and turn this off though, then what you can do is go and get to the change button and you can go and press that there, and then you'll get this pop-up and you can go and enter in the time and date you want to go and set it to. I can set it to the 21st of January, for example. You see at the moment it's 20th, press change and it'll then go and change there. So that's how you can do it. Alternatively, what you can do is you can come out of your settings here, and the other way is to go and press search at the bottom, and you can go and open up your control panel like so. In the control panel, you can go and press clock and region, then you can go and press set the date and time. You can press set the time and date and you'll go and get a pop-up. Here you can press change date and time to go and change it, or you can go and completely go and change the time zone if you want to as well. I could press here though, then you can go and choose what you want the date to be, come over to the right and you can go and adjust the time here as well. Then you can press OK, press apply and press OK. That's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.